Hi! Welcome back to my Christmas series. This is Karina, and if you're new, welcome, welcome. And today's episode is Crafty Haul. Yes! I said to myself, that's it. I'm done with the Christmas shopping. I'm buying things online. But these were things that I purchased a couple of weeks ago, and I was debating of showing them or not. So let's take a look at the first one. First one, finally. I am wanting to subscribe to this Planner Society. So I am going to reveal what is for the November. I know it's December, but apparently she had some issues with one of her vendors, so that's why this kit was shipped late. So I cannot wait to show you the December kit. So let's take a look at what it came here. So it came in this really nice bag, and apparently it's like a black background with flowers, and I'm gonna save the bag and let's open everything up. And oh, I don't want to damage things here. Okay. So Planner Society, and I believe these are beads, like if you want to do your TNs. Oh, I broke it. So you can do your own TNs or use these beads for any charms or anything that you want to do. Isn't this cute? Oh, let me see. I know there's always glare. I film at night, so that's the reason. And oh, look at this. This is a paper clip. Oh, isn't this lovely? You know, and they're my tones. You know, whenever I see pink, I just love pink. So it's just like so gorgeous. Look at this. Look at how cute. Gorgeous. Like a deer with a buffalo bow. And then these are, I believe, sticky notes. And they come with this bow. And look at the girls. Aren't they cute? I love it, love it, love it. And these are the girl stamps. I mean, it is just like so gorgeous. Let's see, you can see if my camera is cooperating here. I know I cannot wait for my Christmas present. I'm thinking of like getting another camera or something else because I need to have a viewfinder so I can see myself. Okay, and then look at this pen. Isn't this cute? The charm. You can just like take this off and you can put it in anything. Isn't this cute? I love it. Everything just color coordinates, and the washi tape. Washi's nice too. You guys can. I'm gonna open this washi so I can demonstrate the. It's like so cute. And then these are tabs. I love the packaging too. Look at that, how nice. Personal fitness, girl boss. Love it, love it, love it. And this is the November kit. Okay, and this is some ephemera. Oh, I love this. How gorgeous. Oh, look at these. These are like vellum words. And then look at all the flowers. More flowers. Oh, I love these. It's almost like Christmassy, right? It's cute. And it's pink. I love pink. Oh, look at this deer. And oh, it's just so gorgeous. Oh, and look at this. How cute. I love it, love it, love it. Oh, and here are my girls. Oh, I just love it. Let's open these up. Let's see these gorgeous girls. They're calling my name here. And these are, oh, these are like, kind of like cards in vellum, and also in the cardstock is like 100-pound cardstock, so it's huge. And then the girls, they're cut in vellum. See, you guys can see better. Maybe I should do it. The girls are all colors. Look at that. Blonde, brunettes, fair skin, dark skin, you name it. Very versatile. And then more girls. Now in regular, like shiny cardstock, or matte cardstock. Cute, cute, cute. Very cute. Oh, and another one here. My God, you know, it's worth the money. And it's worth the money. You get a lot of things for it. It's not only for planners, but you can use these for Happy Mail, and that's the reason that I bought it. Well, I do planning. I do, you know, my Happy Planner, and you know, I have stickers here and there, but definitely for Happy Mail, this is just fantastic. Oh, and girls, mini sticky girls. Oh, I love it. Look at that. And then planner and some words and banners. Oh, and look at that for Christmas. How gorgeous. And here are some of like a borders for your planners, and I love these. These are alphas, but they're like sticky alphas. Sticky alphas. Very cute, like kind of a rose gold. And the paper, of course. Oh, different type of paper. Let's open this paper up a little bit and see what we get here. And this is like to cut your planner, so, or even use it on Happy Mail. Okay, so it's these. Then we got the buffalo, so you guys can see. Oh, the vellum too. Wow. So this is the paper. So two. Oh, and it's double-sided. I'm just going to open this whole thing. It's double-sided, so we get two. Wow. I know, if you love flowers, this is your kit, because I know her kits are very flowery and so cute, like vintagey. Nice. And then there's this, oh, it's like an acetate. Nice. Vellum. Oh, and the girls, vellum girls. Oh, I love it. I love these. This is just so gorgeous. So I'm so happy that I subscribed to the Planner Society. I'm looking forward to play with all my girls and my ephemera. Put it in my planner. And also do Happy Mail with this. Oh, very nice. Now, the next one is scrapbook.com. And I am going to open the package and I will be right back. So I opened the package and I took all the items out and I'm going to show you. So please don't judge me, but these were on sale, so I'm like, I have to get it. I have to get it before everything gets sold out. So I got the chipboard, and I have watched a couple of videos of people ordering, you know, the new La La Love about some Valentine's crepe paper collection, but chipboard is just like so gorgeous. Gorgeous with capital G. Of course, I have to have the whole collection. I have to get the stickers. I'm going to open the stickers so we don't have the glare and we can see them better in person. Oh, look at that. It's again pink and like more colors, you know, like not truly traditional, you know, pink and red, and we have yellow, kind of like mustardy yellow, and blues. I love it. I just love it. Is this just gorgeous? And then of course the paper pad. It is just so beautiful, and I need to cut this paper pad so I can show it. And of course I'm just trying to cut it and make it look nice. Okay, so here's the paper pad, and I'm going to show you the papers. I don't know if you guys can see. I'm looking. I think I probably should come closer, right? You know, my camera makes so much noise. And look at that. It's just gorgeous. It's super beautiful. I love it, and I cannot wait to start playing with my Valentines, and the ephemera. Ephemera is just so beautiful. I don't want to open this one yet. And what else I got? Oh, I got also the paper too. I got like the full set. Okay, so the paper, 12 by 12 paper for my scrapbook layouts. I got 2 of these. 1, 2, and I love this one. This one is my favorite. Love it, pink. And I also, this is just so gorgeous. I love it, love this collection. Crepe paper always, like, they always come up with such good collections. Okay, and got some stickers from American Crafts. You guys can see better. And this other one, oh, it's 2. I bought 2 sets. Did buy 2 sets. You know, sometimes Scrapbook make mistakes, and they always like send me more. Yeah, apparently I got 2. Oh well, that's okay. And then of course I have to get the washi tapes. They're like so gorgeous. Washi. Got also the paper clips, and they're like almost like plasticky ones. Let's see. And then these other ones, XOXO, hearts, and puffy stickers, and more stickers. And this is not crepe paper, but I just love the lips. Sticky Picks stickers, so from the Paper House. I know, I remember back in February when I started to start posting and crafting, you know, in Instagram, and I was like watching the videos of all the crafty ladies, watching all the feeds from in Instagram of all the crafty ladies, and I was like, oh, I wish I can get some happy mail from some Valentine's Day. Well, guess what? My wish is gonna come true. So I am just like so happy to have joined this crafty community. And I hope you guys are having a wonderful day and enjoying my Christmas series. I know today is, I just wanted to break it up a little bit. This is not Christmas crafty hauls. But just to spice things up, right? So I'm very happy with my Planner Society kit and crepe paper La La Love collection. Again, if you haven't done so, you can just go ahead and click the subscribe button, give me a like, and leave me a comment down below which kit do you like best. And again, if you like this video, just give me the thumbs up, share this video with any of your friends and family, and if you haven't done so, click the subscribe button and tap that bell so you can get notified when I upload videos. Thanks for watching, and see you on my next video. Bye.